Stop by and take a look at the 2026 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, remote engine start, tow hitch, lane departure warning, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.